If you've ever found yourself gazing up at the stars and wondering about the vastness of the universe, then you're not alone. Humans have been fascinated by space for as long as we've existed, and it's only natural that we want to know if there are other forms of life out there. The question is, if there are, how advanced are they? Are they more advanced than us? Are they less advanced? Or are they just like us? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore the possibility that there are civilizations out there that are so advanced that our minds can't even comprehend it. So buckle up, space cadets, because things are about to get weird. We all love a good space documentary. We've probably watched videos or shows about galaxies, planets, black holes, and the vast expanse of space. But what if we told you there was a civilization out there whose technology was so advanced it could control the very fabric of space-time? Welcome to the world of Type 3 civilizations, also known as hyper-advanced civilizations. These civilizations are so advanced that their technology is beyond our wildest dreams. They're basically the Jedis of the cosmos. But what exactly does it mean to be a Type 3 civilization? To understand this, we need to take a journey through the famous Kardashev Scale. This scale was created by Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev in the 1960s as a way of classifying the technological advancement of civilizations. According to the Kardashev Scale, a Type 1 civilization is one that has harnessed all the energy available on its planet. A Type 2 civilization has harnessed all the energy available on its planet and in its solar system. And a Type 3 civilization has harnessed all the energy available in its galaxy. That's right, an entire galaxy. To give you an idea of just how advanced this is, consider the fact that even the most advanced human society today can't even harness all the energy available on our own planet. We're not even close to being a Type 1 civilization. So how could there be civilizations out there that have harnessed the energy of an entire galaxy? Well, it's not impossible. In fact, it's something that many scientists and astronomers believe is inevitable. It's just a matter of time before humanity reaches this level of technological advancement. Imagine a civilization that has mastered the ability to travel faster than the speed of light, to bend space-time to its will, and to harness the power of black holes. This is the kind of stuff that can only be found in science fiction movies. But what if it's not just science fiction? What if there are civilizations out there that have achieved this level of technological advancement? The idea of civilizations that can control space-time might sound far-fetched, but it's not as crazy as you might think. After all, we're talking about a galaxy that contains billions of stars and planets. There's a lot of energy out there just waiting to be harnessed. One of the most exciting possibilities of this kind of technology is the ability to travel through space and time. With the ability to control space-time, civilizations could travel to different parts of the galaxy and even to different time periods. Imagine the possibilities for exploration and discovery. Entire new worlds would be open to these civilizations, and they would have the ability to learn about the history of the universe like no other. But it's not just about exploration and discovery. The ability to control space-time would also give these civilizations incredible power. They would be able to influence events in ways that no other civilization could even imagine. They could change the course of history itself. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. If one civilization had the ability to control space-time, it would have a huge responsibility to use that power wisely. Otherwise, it could easily tip the balance of power in the galaxy and cause all sorts of chaos. But if they did use that power wisely, then who knows what they could accomplish. Perhaps they could help other civilizations advance or even solve some of the biggest problems facing the galaxy. The possibilities are really endless. So if you're out there gazing up at the stars and wondering if there are civilizations more advanced than ours, just remember that the universe never ceases to amaze. There may come a day when we ourselves reach that level of technological advancement, and who knows what wonders we'll discover. But until then, we can only dream of the possibilities and marvel at the vastness of the universe. Now let's talk about the Fermi paradox. This paradox was named after Italian physicist Enrico Fermi, who once asked, "Where were all the aliens?" Given the size of the Milky Way and the number of planets out there, it seems statistically unlikely that Earth would be the only planet with life. So where are they? Are there really no other intelligent civilizations out there? Well, the truth is we just don't know. But the Fermi paradox suggests that there should be other civilizations out there. And if they're as advanced as we think, then they could be controlling the very fabric of the universe. Think about it. If there are civilizations out there that are thousands or even millions of years ahead of us, then they would have mastered technologies that we can only dream of. They could be traveling to different parts of the galaxy, meeting other civilizations, and even influencing events on planets that we haven't even discovered yet. In fact, some people believe that the universe itself is a simulation created by a highly advanced civilization. This may sound like a crazy theory, but it's not as far-fetched as you might think. If there are civilizations out there that are so advanced that they can control space-time, then it's not impossible that they could also create simulations like ours. It's like trying to imagine the world from the perspective of a fish. If a fish had never seen the ocean, it would have no idea that there was anything beyond its little pond. Similarly, if we're in a simulation created by a highly advanced civilization, then we wouldn't know that there was anything beyond our own little patch of the universe. But here's the thing. Even if we are in a simulation, it doesn't really matter. Because if we're in a simulation created by a highly advanced civilization, then that means there are civilizations out there that are so advanced that they can create their own universes. So whether or not we're in a simulation, the fact remains that there are probably civilizations out there that are much more advanced than we are. And if they are as advanced as we think they are, then they could be controlling the very fabric of the universe. What do you think? Is it possible that there are civilizations out there that are so advanced that they can control the very fabric of space-time? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're at it, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Who knows? You might just learn something new about the universe and your place in it. Just remember, the universe is vast and mysterious, and there are things out there that we can't even imagine. But that's what makes it so exciting. Who knows what we might discover next? So keep looking up at the stars and keep dreaming big. You never know what wonders the universe has in store for you.